You are now unmuted.
Good afternoon, Krishna. How are you? Good afternoon, Krishna.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, teacher.
You good? All okay?
How are you?
I'm good too, Bacha. So, shall we start the lecture for today?
Yes.
Okay. So today I'm gonna discuss you with. Okay. Can you see? Can you see the PPT? Yes, Krishna. Can you see the slide? Krishna, please unmute yourself and say Bacha.
Yes, teacher.
Can you see the slide now?
Yes.
Okay. So let's discuss for हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेते हैं MCQs for both the chapters. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first is, which is the following are the energy foods: carbohydrates and fats, proteins and minerals, and vitamins and minerals, water and liquids. Yeah. So tell me, Krishna. So kindly just unmute yourself so that we can make it in a interactive lecture. Krishna, please unmute yourself, Bache.
And fat. Carbohydrates and fat.
Yeah, the correct option is carbohydrates and fats. Okay. Then, in which mode of nutrition an organism derives its food from the body of another living without killing it? Saprophytic, holozoic, parasitic, and autotrophic. Tell me, Bache.
Parasite.
Obviously, it's good. So you find it easy. The MCQs are easy, right? Okay. The mode of nutrition found in fungi. Yes, बच्चे. fungi में कौन सा न्यूट्रिशन मिलेगा? Saprophytic और autotrophic, holozoic और parasitic. Yeah. Tell me.
Saprophytic.
Why saprophytic, बच्चे? Why saprophytic? Yes, Krishna. Why saprophytic? Saprophytic is the correct answer, but why? Because first of all, it's not in parasite. Holozoic nutrition, it cannot perform in metabolic activity. Autotrophic, it cannot make their own food. Right?
Yes.
But why saprophytic? Why not autotrophic? Fungi has chlorophyll, they have ability to make their own food. Do you think so?
No, fungi doesn't have the ability to make food.
Exactly. Okay, let's move to the next. Plants, roots of the plants absorb water from the soil through the process of diffusion, transpiration, osmosis, and none of these. Yes, Krishna.
None of these?
No, Pacha, the answer will be osmosis.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So the next question for you is, the site of photosynthesis in the cell of a leaf is?
Chloroplast.
Yeah.
Chloroplast.
Yeah. So tell me, which is the correct answer for it? The answer is chloroplast. Then, in amoeba, food is digested in food vacuoles, mitochondria, pseudopodia, or chloroplast. Yes. Tell me, bache.
Food vacuole.
Yes, the answer is food vacuum. Correct. Then, which of the following events in the mouth cavity will affect if salivary amylase is lacking? Breaking, basically, starch breaking down into sugars, then proteins break down into amino acid, then absorption of vitamins, fat breaking into fatty acids. Yes. What is the answer to
Teacher,
this?
question again.
The question which I have asked you, which of the following events in the mouth cavity or in the oral cavity will be affected if the salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva?
Starch breaking into sugar.
Yeah, the answer is correct. So easy, Krishna. So these are the questions which can be asked in your board exams. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. Which of the following region of alimentary canal absorb the digested food? Small intestine or stomach, large intestine or liver? Yes, Bacha, what is the correct answer to this?
Small intestine.
Yeah, the answer will be small intestine. The contraction and expansion movement of the wall of the food pipe is known as translocation, transpiration. Then we have peristalsis movement, digestion, or that's it. Yeah, tell me what's the correct answer?
Peristaltic movement.
Yeah, the peristalsis movement, that is the contraction or expansion movement. Okay. Now, when a few drops of iodine are added to rice water, the solution turns blue black. This indicates that rice water contains what? Fats, complex proteins, simpler protein, or starch.
Starch.
Yeah, the correct answer is starch. Now, I'll be doing this because I want you to make you understand about what is important, what is not important from the board point of view. Okay, are you understand? And do you
Yes, teacher.
practicing
Okay.
do you practicing these questions at home? Hmm?
Yes, teacher.
क्या क्या आपने पढ़ लिया अभी तक?
I read the textbook
Okay,
and the notes given from school.
okay. Anything else? और भी कुछ बोला उन्होंने?
No, teacher. They give extra questions and stuff.
Okay.
And questions like these also, multiple choice questions also we get.
Sure. Okay. Next question for you is, what are the products obtained by the anaerobic respiration in plants? Lactic acid, carbon dioxide, and plus water, plus energy, or plus ethanol, carbon dioxide, energy, or pyruvate. Yes,
Carbon dioxide, water and energy.
exactly. The answer is carbon dioxide, your water, and the energy. यहाँ तक समझ आया कृष्णा? कोई भी डाउट आए तो प्लीज बच्चे डू आस्क मी. ओके,
Okay,
I'm
teacher.
just right. Then the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide water energy takes place in cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, or nucleus. Yes.
Teacher, question again.
The question is, the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide water plus energy takes place in cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, or nucleus.
Mitochondria.
Yeah, the answer would be absolutely correct. Okay. Next part is glycolysis process occur in which part of the cell? Chloroplast, cytoplasm, nucleus, or mitochondria?
Cytoplasm.
Yeah, the correct answer is cytoplasm. Then name the substance built up in the muscle during vigorous Physical exercise. आपने do you exercise? Do you go gym, Krishna?
No, teacher.
Okay, but maybe you just don't feel like to going to gym. But whenever the people goes to gym, their 10 days or 15 days are very tiring and they get cramps also, right? That is because of due to basically presence of lactic acid. ठीक है, बेसिकली मसल्स के
Oh,
अंदर क्या फॉर्म हो जाता है, लैक्टिक एसिड फॉर्म हो जाता
okay.
है एट इन एनारोबिक कंडीशंस में, इसकी वजह से उनको क्रैम्प्स फील होता है। ओके, समझ आया?
Yes.
So the correct answer is lactic acid plus energy. Name the pores on the leaf through which respiratory gases change. Vacuole, lenticles, xylem or stomata. Yes, Krishna.
Tomato.
Yeah, the answer is stomata. The respiratory pigment in human beings is catein, collagen, hemoglobin, or mitochondria. So tell me, Krishna, what is respiratory pigment?
Breathing
No.
cell.
No.
No, I don't know. I don't know, teacher.
Alright. Let me ब्लड के अंदर जब ऑक्सीजन जाती है, इट विल बाइंड टू Hb. हीमोग्लोबिन से बाइंड कर जाती है टू फॉर्म ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन. समझ आया? एंड हीमोग्लोबिन इज अ पिगमेंट. गेटिंग इट? समझ आया कृष्णा?
Yes, teacher.
यहाँ तक समझ आई बात? कोई भी डाउट है?
No doubt.
Then, so the correct answer is hemoglobin. Which plant tissue transport water and nutrients from root to the leaf? Then xylem, phloem, parenchyma, collenchyma. Yes, Krishna. Hurry up, Krishna.
Teacher, question again?
Which part of the basically which plant tissue transport water minerals from the roots to the leaf? That is xylem, phloem, parenchyma, collenchyma. Yes, tell me.
Silence.
Yeah, the answer is xylem. The movement of fruit and phloem is called transpiration, translocation, respiration, or evaporation. Yes.
Translocation.
Yeah, the answer is absolutely correct. That is translocation. A blood vessel that pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body is known as artery, capillary, vein, or hemoglobin. Yes, Krishna.
Artery.
Yeah, the answer is artery. Exception is called that is pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary.
Right. Yeah. Name the circulatory fluid in the body other than blood. RBCs. Then we have platelets. We have lymph or plasma.
Teacher, question?
Name the circulatory fluid in the body other than your blood. Platelets, RBCs, lymph or plasma.
Plasma.
Yeah. Then, what did you say? In the circulatory fluid in the body other than. Why not lymph, bachcha? Why not lymph, Krishna?
I don't know.
Basically, lymph is your another liquid fluid which flows parallelly with blood. Right? समझ आया कृष्णा?
Yes.
Single circulation, that is, blood flows through the heart only once cycle. Passage through the body is exhibited by which of the following? Hyla, rano, rano, whale, dolphin and turtle, labio, camelon or salmonel or hippopotamus, exocetus or animals. Yes, single circulation, that is blood flow through heart only one cycle. Yes, Krishna. What is the answer for this, bache? Yes, Krishna. Yes, Krishna. Can you answer this question? Do you wanted to solve it later? Yes, Krishna. Krishna, can you unmute yourself, please? Yes, Krishna. Do it as a homework with you. I'll ask you tomorrow. Name the tube which connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. Urethra, nephron, tubule, ureter. Yes, Krishna. What is the answer for this? I can't hear you, Krishna. Krishna, I think your phone has a problem. Yeah, the correct. No. Not urethra. That is what he's asking. Name the tube which connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. That is your ureter. Okay. Yeah. Which part of the nephron allows the selective reabsorption of useful substances like glucose, amino acid, salt, and water into the blood capillaries? Answer is tubule, glomerular, glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, and ureter. Yes. The question is, which part of the nephron allows a selective reabsorption of useful substances like glucose, amino acids, salt, water into the blood capillaries? Answer is tubular, basically tubule, your glomerulus, your Bowman's capsule, your ureter. I think your mic has issues again, right, Krishna? Not a problem. Answer the question to this. Yeah. Which is the dirty? Where is the dirty blood in our body filtered? Kidneys, ureters, then your lungs and your heart. Yes, Krishna. The answer is to this is kidney. The procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating urea from it is known as osmosis, filtration, dialysis, or double circulation. Yes, Krishna, do you know the answer for it? Question is that the procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating the urea from it is called osmosis, dialysis, then your double circulation or filtration. Yes. Yes, Krishna, what is the answer? Tell me why not dialysis? Why not dialysis? Dialysis also artificial. It used as an artificial kidney. ठीक है? That used for the filtration of blood. यहाँ तक समझ आया? So now tell me which the procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating the urea from it is called. So can I say the option is C? Okay. Which is the correct sequence of the body parts of the elementary kingdom? Mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, esophagus. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Mouth, stomach, esophagus. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine and small intestine. बचा इसमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन करेक्ट नहीं है. Which is the correct basically this is the correct option. No, why I have wrong this. Yeah, correct option is this. So the correct option is B, not D. Why? Mouth से esophagus, esophagus से stomach, stomach से small intestine, small intestine से large intestine. Right? Get it, Krishna? Identify the path of fluiding in the body. Kidney, urinary bladder, urethra, no. Urinary bladder, no. Kidney, ureter, urethra, urinary bladder, no. Kidney, greater urinary bladder unit. The answer is D. Okay. Filling the blanks correct. The exit of food from the stomach is regulated by a muscle. Yes, Krishna. Exactly. The answer is sphincter. Dash is the longest part of the alimentary canal. Yes, Krishna. Yes. The process of breakdown of glucose into pyruvate takes place in the yes, Krishna. Nope. मैंने ये बोला आपको the process of breakdown of glucose into pyruvate की बात हो रही है takes place in the yeah small intestine because cell का part नहीं पूछा है. So yeah, the answer will be small intestine. Okay. Dash is the site for the complete digestion of carbohydrates, protein and fats. Obviously a small intestine, right? Breaking down of pyruvate using oxygen takes place in do it and give the answer by tomorrow. Yeah, by tomorrow. Then rings of the cartilage are present in the windpipe ensure that the windpipe do not get collapsed, right? The blood has that cells which plug the linkage of the vessel by helping to clot. The platelet cells dash transport products of photosynthesis from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Phloem, yeah? Can I say the answer will be phloem? During favorable condition, amoeba reproduce by fission. A feature of reproduction that is common to amoeba, yeast and spirogyra. They produce asexually, they produce only sexually, they are multicellular, they are asexual. ability of cell is to divide into several cells during reproduction in plasmodium is called. Shall I say the multiple fission? Biofilm can be propagated vegetatively by leaf, root, flower, stem. Yes, Krishna, answer this. Yeah. Vegetative propagation refers to the formation of new plants from stem, roots, leaf, stem, root, flower. Option is D. Vegetative propagation refers to the formation of new plants from new. Yeah. In potato, the vegetative propagation takes place by stem tumble, grafting, leaf, or root. Yes. Vegetative propagated plants do not bear roots, do not bear buds, are genetically similar. Yes. Or D will be a genetically dissimilar. Yes. Spirogera reproduced by fission, regeneration, fragmentation, budding. Why not planaria then? And why not budding? स्पायरोगेरा बर्डिंग से भी तो रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकता है. यस. Yeah, exactly. Budding its form, then it becomes an individual and it can be separated by the. Yeah, you're right. So the answer is fragmentation. In rhizobus, tubular thread-like structures bearing spirogera at the tips are known as filament, hyphae, then rhizoids or roots. Yes. Yes, Krishna, answer this. Hyphae is not the right answer for this. Think something else. Think something else. Why did you mention hyphae first? Yes. Why did you mention hyphae first? Yeah, so stick to your answer. No, I was checking. Okay. Tell me, plant like banana, rose, jasmine, orange have lost the capacity to reproduce. Seeds, buds, flowers or root? बताओ. Yeah, the answer is roots. The flower of the hibiscus plant is bisexual, unisexual. Yes, बताओ hibiscus क्या है? Bisexual है, unisexual है, neutral है? Exactly. Answer is unisexual. The part of the flower which is present in the center of the flower is known as sepal, petal, carpel or stamens. Yes, Krishna. Stamens. The seeds that contain the future plant is known as cotyledon, cyst, germ cells or embryo. Yes, Krishna. Yeah. The period of pregnancy is known as gestation period, incubation period, ovulation or menstrual period. No. The period of pregnancy is known as gestation period. The process of release of eggs from the ovary is known as menstruation, reproduction, insemination or ovulation. Yes. Yes, Krishna. Yes, the answer is ovulation. The period during adolescence when the reproductive tissue begins to mature is known as puberty, germination, propagation, or ovification. Yes, the answer is puberty. In human beings, the fertilization occurs in uterus, ovaries, fallopian tubes, or vagina. No, answer is fallopian tubes. Implantations occur in uterus. Implantation मतलब कि let me tell you the process for it. Suppose this is your good diagram. ठीक है भाई, ये मेरी ओवरीज है. यूट्रस सही नहीं बना, वरना यूट्रस पहले सही बना दूँ, वरना फिर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. एक सेकंड. ठीक है. When sperm enters to your vagina, it goes to the fallopian tubes, and here the egg got released, and there is a junction known as ampulla, isthmus junction. Okay, so basically this point where the fertilization can take place. Okay. Get it? Along the path, along the path of the vas deferens, the secretion of which gland provides nutrition to the gland. Prostate gland, seminal vesicles, scrotum, or urinary bladder. Yes. The answer is prostate gland. Prostate gland provides nutrition in the form of fructose. Okay, basically they provide nutrition in the form of fructose. In semen, amount of fructose is higher. Okay, okay, Krishna. The embryo in humans get nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special tissue called placenta, villi, uterus, or womb. Yes, Krishna. No, the answer is placenta. There is a basically ये mother की उस cell से बनता है, not the placenta. आगे जाके आप देखोगे one part of the trophoblast will convert into chorion and placenta. The placenta helps to provide nutrition to the fetus. Get it, get it, Krishna. Which of the among is not a sexually? Syphilis, hepatitis, HIV, gonorrhea. No, syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease. Hepatitis. Hepatitis is basically inflammation of hepatocytes. Okay? Get it, Krishna? Okay. Which of the following method of contraception protects from acquiring sexually transmitted diseases? Surgery, condoms, copperty, or oral pills? Yes, Krishna. What do you think which is the answer for it? Yes, Chanchal, do you know the answer for this question? Okay, Chanchal don't know. Krishna, you know the answer for it? Yeah, the answer is condoms. In human males, the testes lie in the scrotum because it helps in the process of mating, formation of sperms, that is known as spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis, easy transfer of gametes, or secretion of estrogen. Yes, Krishna. In human males, the testis lies in the scrotum because Yes, Krishna. What is the answer, Gachi? Yes, the answer is B. Now tell me the fill in the blanks. The process of reproduction involving only one cell and one parent. It's called, yeah. That is a duct coming from the urinary bladder which carries sperms. Yes, Krishna. Duct bola usne, which carries sperms. Vasa difference. Process of fertilization takes place in the dash tube in humans. Yes. Dash is the ability of organism to replace its lost part. Dash is the production of new plants from stem, roots, and leaves. Yes, that is vegetative composition. That is term used to refer to the commencement of menstruation at puberty. Yes, yes, Krishna. Find it by yourself and give me the answer tomorrow. Okay? Okay, Krishna? Dash is the virus that causes AIDS. So here I will be ending by this lecture. Not ending by this lecture. Basically, your MCQs has been done now. Okay, now tell me, Krishna, which part do you have a doubt? Yes, Krishna. About anything you don't have doubt? Okay, now explain the process of double circulation and explain the difference between breathing and respiration. Okay, answer these questions. This answer is of 3 marks. This answer is of 2 marks. Yes. Krishna, But I write it in a one para. Explain this statement when the blood passes through the heart twice. Yes, when the blood passes through the heart twice, blood circulates to the left ventricle to the aorta. Not really. I am not satisfied by your answer, बच्चे. Let me tell you. ठीक है. Basically, this is your heart. Okay. Pulmonary artery से pulmonary artery से inferior vena cava से superior vena cava से right side में blood आता है. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद pulmonary artery के through it goes to the lungs. ठीक है. फिर lungs में जाके they get the diffuse by the process of diffusion exchanges of gases takes place and then through the left aorta it comes back through the left pulmonary artery it come back from the left article, then it goes to the aorta and then through all the parts of the body. Get it, Krishna? समझ आया? Now tell me, explain the difference between breathing and respiration. Okay. And respiration is involuntary. It includes the breakdown of the complex food into the simpler one under the presence of oxygen, and the energy is released by that action. Okay, yeah, this is bingo. I'll give you 3 on 3 on this now. Sorry, 2 on 2 on this. Okay, but I'm not satisfied with the circulation. Okay, now tell me about the. Okay, if I ask you about. If I ask you about. Tell me about the blood cells in the blood. ब्लड सेल्स के बारे में बताओ. What are the different type of? Yeah, blood cells बताओ मुझे. There are 3 type of blood cells, that is RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. Okay, tell me the functions of RBC. Hemoglobin is a pigment, बचा. Hemoglobin तो pigment होती है, that helps in the transportation of the oxygen. Yeah. Now tell me what is the function of RBC. Okay. And what is the function of WBCs? Basically, they are the fighting cells, right? They are the fighting cells. Not fats को transport नहीं करता है. Okay. Basically, your WBCs are your fighting cells which helps to fight with the foreign particles, right, against infection. And what are platelets? Platelets are the clotting factors, right, which helps to make the clot. Am I right? Okay. So here I'll be ending with the today's topic, bacha. ठीक है? I hope you like the lecture of it, and tomorrow in the next lecture we'll be discussing the further topics. Okay? Any doubt? Any query? Okay? Okay. Bye bye.
You are now muted.
हाँ, तुम तो बड़ा कुछ हो रहा था, कुछ हो गया ना चला गया। कहाँ बैठा हुआ है?
सबसे पहले ना आप इस चैप्टर की बेसिक थ्योरी पढ़ो कि इस चैप्टर में क्या है और हम इस कंप्लीट चैप्टर में क्या कर रहे हैं। देखो यहाँ हमें क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आप इस चैप्टर की बेसिक थ्योरी देखो, इस चैप्टर में क्या क्या होता है, उसके बाद में देखिए क्वेश्चन को कैसे भाई क्वेश्चन को बाद में डालते हैं। सबसे पहले ये तो पता चलता है चैप्टर में है क्या। देखो अगर हमारे पास कोई भी आर्टिकल है, एक तो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट